Video conferencing bisingtwi tangsalo Bharat Hakotor ni bebak university ni phwrwngnai rokbai Bharat Hakotor ni montri bokrok kok sakha. Video conferencing bisingtwi tangsalo Bharat Hakotor ni bebak university ni phwrwngnai rokbai Bharat Hakotor ni montri bokrok kok sakha. Hasteo Rajbhavono panda songsajaka pandao hastefa Indrosena Reddy Nallu montri bokrok ni kok thairokno khnaka. Montri bokrok ni kok khnamani ulo bini baithang wansung mongrokno peplawi kok toma thumnai roni biskango kok bo narakha.
All of you are ambassadors who take the schemes of government schemes, central government schemes to the people in cities, in villages, in bastis. In the coming days, there are going to be a major technological changes. So there should be research on large scale, people's problems in the university. Now most of the students, they have raised a number of issues. Issues we have to raise and solutions also we have to find. That is the purpose of the program today. A team in India, we have to make everything according to the roadmap prepared by the Vikasit Bharat Governing Council. Today, number of suggestions we got from the university vice chancellors, faculty members. There are certain issues for certain areas, certain people, certain countries. In spite of it, they are developing. Just like learned member told that Singapore is a small country. It is called a country, but it is a city itself. They are not having drinking water. They have to purchase drinking water from Malaysia. Now there is no growth for them. They have to fill the sea and expand the city. So now where to go? So they are going outside the country, they are investing outside the country so that their growth should not be stopped. In the same way, Israel, their problem is different. But Israel has given more scientists, more technology. How? Because for the solution, they have to think themselves like that. We have to, if there is any problem, for that we have to get the solution. Now, one person told that we are having an idea what to do. For Indian government, now it brought number of schemes. If you have an idea that you can put in bank, ideas bank, computerized. If you want to go for a practical this thing, the government is ready to spend on that particular issue. If you don't, Tripura to Chennai or Bangalore or Delhi, if there is any problem for him, if he goes there, government hospital, if he gives his details, then his whole history comes. What was his medical history, when he has gone to hospital, what medicines he has taken. Now this particular issue, they have taken all the states and they are adopting in their hospitals. So it is a credit to Tripura. Like that, you have to think, you have to discuss and come forward. This is my feeling. And if we go on think, you will get ideas according to situation, according to atmosphere. If you see the birds, they will have their own small huts, houses. I can't tell in other this thing. But how they, individual, different birds, they prepare different nests for them. So you have to, you can think in that direction, you can come up with good this thing. And particularly the government now it is bringing a number of schemes. Vishwakarma. Vishwakarma लोकल कारपेंटर काम करते हैं, कटिंग वाले हैं, धोबी वाले हैं, जो भी है उसको ट्रेनिंग करके नया मशीन देके और ट्रेनिंग के टाइम पे स्टाइफंड देके उसके बाद में 20,000 का उनका कोई भी ये है यूटेंसिल्स है उसको खरीद के दे रहे, उसके बाद में लोन दे रहे, मुफ्त में दे रहे। तो ये चीज़ आम पब्लिक को मालूम करना, एजुकेट करना और उसमें भी नया टेक्निक कुछ आए उसको भी अपन लेना। और बहुत से स्कीम्स है, ये सब आप पब्लिक, आम पब्लिक के पास लेके जाके उसको हाउ बेस्ट यू कैन यूटिलाइज एंड हाउ बेस्ट यू कैन ब्रिंग प्रॉस्पेरिटी फॉर द त्रिपुरा. You have to give suggestions. And lastly, I only tell that there should be lessons in social sciences on government policies, schemes, and welfare program. Also, the implementation of these schemes with modern methods in the field of science should be seen whether it will reach the common man. I want you all to contribute to this. Thank you very much for all. Thank you.
Agortala Nisimi, Prodamni Kokthum, Bureau Report.